Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I rise today in support of H.R. 3350 to keep your Health Care Plan Act of 2013. You know, as my colleagues across the aisle have pointed out over and over and over again, the ACA is law. But it cannot simply be undone by the White House, and it does call on us in the Congress to do so. You know, Mr. Speaker, we women in this country make 80% of the health care decisions, and women in this country have now been told by the President and our Democrat colleagues that the health care choices that they've made to cover their families are not adequate. In fact, they're being called subpar, and they're trying to intervene. They're trying to keep the women in this country from providing that good, sound health care coverage for their families. That is why we are voting on this bill today, Mr. Speaker. We're voting on it because these are good decisions that have been made by the American people. They're good decisions that have been made by the moms across this country for their families, and we need to do everything we can to protect that. So I call on my colleagues to vote yes on H.R. 3350 so that women in this country can continue to do the good job they're doing for their families and provide good health care coverage. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I yield back.
The gentlelady yields back.